Hey crypto family, I hope you all doing good today. So today's video, I'm going to go over my top 6 altcoin picks that I'm extremely bullish on for this year and coming into 2022, and ones that I think you should take a strong look at. So I've been meaning to make this video for the past couple of weeks. I just need to gather some data for all of these coins to make sure, but I am definitely confident in these coins and I think you'll really like them. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first coins I want to go over is actually Dusk, okay? I've been going over Dusk a lot. You've seen it on my Twitter. If you've actually joined me in my Discord group, we actually called Dusk at 29 cents. Okay, if you want to join the Discord group, I have it pinned in the comments. It's also on my Twitter pinned as well. So please go and join it. It's free to join. Also have a members chat. But either way, you'll definitely get some good info either way. But basically what Dusk is, my big narrative is I think ZK, zero knowledge protocols, are going to be the narrative for 2022, and a lot of big influencers think that as well. And Dusk is actually on the leading edge of that. So if you look, it says Dusk Network is a privacy-oriented blockchain protocol that anyone can use to create zero-knowledge dApps. Okay, so these guys, their testnet is actually February 1st. So I'm expecting Dusk to continue to pump towards that date. So definitely, there's going to be a lot of ups and downs, but right now it's up over 22% today to $1.05. Okay, it's gone up a ton, and it tends to outperform even during these downtrends that we have. So this is a strong performer and one you should definitely look at getting, and definitely on pullbacks. Now the next coin I'm going to go over is Syscoin. Okay, Syscoin is actually up 11% today, and we called this in the Discord at about 70 cents. And what Syscoin does, they're basically combining the best of Bitcoin and Ethereum into one place, but they're really, it says here, enabling everything currently possible on the Ethereum network, such as DeFi, Metaverse, NFT, DAOs, and even meme coins, okay? Their NEVM was actually live on December 7th. And also here on their Twitter, it says 2022 will be the year for rollups, scalable, secure, decentralized. Syscoin ticks all the boxes. Are you ready? Okay, they mentioned ZK rollups here, Metaverse, and DeFi. So these guys are doing it all. They're very bullish. And if you look here, their rank right now is rank 126. So there still is a ton of room for growth for these guys. So I'm extremely bullish. Again, if you can get these guys on pullback, definitely recommend doing so. Next coin I want to talk about is Rose, Oasis Network. Okay, they've been doing good today as well, up 4% to 39 cents. Now, a big thing that got Rose on the maps is actually their partnership with Facebook, now known as Meta AI. Okay, so if you look on their Twitter, it's at Oasis Protocol, 103,000 followers. It says they're building a better internet for all. It's the Glow2 blockchain powered the next gen of Web3 with privacy, speed, scalability, and the lowest fees in DeFi. Okay, now you look at their parent company, Oasis Labs, and it says Oasis is excited to be working with Meta AI, formerly Facebook AI, on a fascinating application of secure computing technologies and AI. Stay tuned for more early next year. Okay, so these guys are doing very good, and again, stay tuned for early next year. Okay, so expect these guys to do very well continuing on to the new year. And again, they've been slowly rising and they're doing amazing, again, even in this downtrending market. So if you can get these on a pullback, definitely look at that. Now, next what we're going to talk about is Near Protocol. Okay, there's some big Twitter influencers bullish on Near. It's up over 10% today. Now you're going to ask, what is Near? Well, you go to their website here, and it says, through simple, secure, and scalable technology, Near empowers millions to invent and explore new experiences. Business creativity and community are being reimagined for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Okay, so basically they have solutions for scaling. This is a big one. Near is eliminating the barriers to Web3 adoption. With high speeds, low fees, and progressive UX, Near's climate neutral blockchain is ready for explosive growth. Again, so they're trying to create that, that barrier for Web3. They're trying to take that away. Okay, they're trying to make it very easy for a lot of people to get involved in Web3, which again is a big buzzword. So Near Protocol has been doing very good. Again, right now it's ranked 24, so it has been climbing the ranks very quickly. But again, you'll see a lot of big Twitter influencers on this one, so definitely keep an eye on Near. And then also is SushiSwap. So SushiSwap, even though it's down a little bit, it's still above $9, which has been doing very well. And I believe its high was around 26. And one of the big reasons I'm bullish on SushiSwap is in our Discord here, I talked about Daniel. If any of you know them, Daniel Esta. He is actually a big Twitter influencer. He has over 225,000 followers. But he posted a couple days ago, imagine getting 100% of the fees of Binance distributed to you. That's the future of sushi holders. A DEX owned by frogs made for frogs. Okay, so he's big on frogs, the Pepe memes, a lot of those. But he is definitely a big influencer. He was behind the Spell token, ICE. He's behind MIM, the stablecoin, Magic Internet Money. So this guy, whatever he touches basically turns to gold, and he is backed by SUSHI. Okay, and then next you have Saka. So this guy has over 250,000 followers, and he says Danny and Frog Nation might be the single most influential cohort in crypto currently. And it says excessive panic selling due to organizational uncertainty, multi-chain presence established, general uptick in DeFi sentiment price. So basically, Saka really respects Danny. Okay, and then finally you can see here my prediction for Q1 2022: SushiSwap will be the #1 AMM on 5 chains and the top 5 order book exchange globally, including SEX. MIM will be the most traded stablecoin on all chains. So you can see there's a lot of bullishness on Sushi. I believe we'll definitely see it continue to rise. More slower than other coins, but I still believe it is a very stable choice and one to have good diversity with your coin picks. And then last but not least is VPad. Okay, VPad is up 5%. It's $2.15. Now VPad is actually an influencer coin. Okay, for those who don't know, one of the very close partners of VPad is Crypto. Now, I know what you're thinking. This guy, he just shills on YouTube. You know, he has all those weird expressions in his thumbnails. This guy has over 680,000 followers, and usually whatever he gets behind ends up pumping a lot. Okay, now for VPad, basically what this is, you can see if you go to their website, vlaunch.com, it says VLaunch provides every person around the globe a fair chance of investing in tier 1 projects backed by the biggest crypto thought leaders in the world. So it's the first fully influencer-backed multi-chain launchpad. Okay, so basically if you buy VPad, you can stake it, and I believe they have 3 months, you're getting a 30% return, 6 months is a 50%, then it keeps going, I believe, all the way up to at least 5 years, nearly 300% return. So again, you can see how much we have, $42 million that are staked right now, and it is continuing to rise. Okay, it's been doing very, very well during this downturn that we've had, and if you even look at the chart, I'll go ahead and bring that up as well. Even since year to date, since it came out, you know, $1, it's basically over doubled here, and I believe it came out 30 cents actually. CoinMarketCap doesn't show that, but it is very, very bullish, and I believe VPad is also a good choice. I think it definitely can rise, I believe, at least double from here, but again, always try to buy these on pullbacks when you can. But I definitely think, you know, if Crypto keeps pumping it, it definitely could have some potential, and I've also seen another couple other influencers such as CryptoFace and others promote it as well, so definitely keep an eye on that one for the future. But with that, I hope y'all enjoyed some of these picks. I hope at least you can actually research them, see if you like them. If so, you know, go ahead and invest a little bit, try to DCA dollar cost average, and buy on dips, major support levels in the 4-hour or daily. But of course, not financial advice, just my opinion. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions. Until next time, thanks for watching.